Hey guys, it is Louisa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day. As this video has been quite requested, so I thought I'd do it for you guys, and I thought it'd be quite interesting to show you guys what I normally eat in a day. Obviously I don't eat the same things every day, but I'm going to be showing you like what times I eat, like what kind of food I like, stuff like that. By the way, I am very unhealthy, like I eat really bad food, so this probably isn't the best video to watch if you want in like a healthy diet. But I don't really gain weight. I think I have like a fast metabolism, so like I can eat loads of unhealthy food and not get fat. So anyway, the time is currently 10:30. I've only just gotten out of bed because it's a Sunday today, and I haven't eaten any food or drank anything yet today, so I'm gonna go downstairs and get some breakfast, even though I'm not even that hungry because I never get hungry in the morning for some reason. So yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs now to get some breakfast. I kind of want pain and chocolates, but I had them yesterday, so I'm gonna try and be a little bit healthier because pain and chocolates aren't very healthy. So I'm not sure what I'm going to get, but I'll take you guys down with me so you can see what I eat. Basically, I'm not going to vlog the day because I'm not really doing anything interesting. I'm just going to be vlogging when I'm eating food, as this is what this video is. But yeah, give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. So for breakfast, I'm going to have some toast. So I'll just put it in the toaster and I'm going to put it down now. So I'm going to wait a minute now for this to pop up and then I'll show you guys what I put on my toast. Poured myself some orange juice. It's the Tropicana smooth orange juice and it's really good. I've just put some butter on my toast and I've got my orange juice here, so I'm going to eat this now. Love toast. I've just finished my breakfast and I'm now going to go back upstairs to brush my teeth. It's a little bit later now. The time is currently 10 minutes to 1 and I haven't actually eaten or drank. Well, I've had a little bit of water, but I haven't eaten anything since breakfast, which was at 10:30. But I'm having lunch at 1 o'clock, so I'll like show you what I'm having for lunch, and I'm really excited for lunch because it's Sunday. Normally we have a Sunday roast for lunch, but like this week we changed it up, so we're gonna have steak with a Yorkshire pudding and everything that you'd have with a roast. It's basically just a roast dinner, but we're having steak as the meat, and I love steak so much. It's like my fave food. So yeah, I'll show you that when I go downstairs in a few minutes. And also I tinted my eyebrows. I don't know if you can tell. I did them myself. They're a little bit darker, so. For my lunch, I had steak and Yorkshire puddings. Honestly, this is the best meal ever. It tastes so good. And I just poured some gravy onto it because without any sauce, it's really plain. And with my meal, I had some raw carrots as I don't really like cooked veg. And to drink, I had some peach juice. This is my favourite drink ever. And then for pudding, I had one of these Petit Flow strawberry yogurts. These are like the best things ever. So it's currently 13 minutes past 4, so quite a bit later. But I haven't actually eaten any food since my lunch as it was quite a big meal and it filled me up. But I've just got a snack now because I was getting quite hungry, and as I'm not a massive fan of veg, I like to eat quite a lot of fruit. So here I've just got some apples, an orange and some dried apricots. So I'm going to eat this now while editing my thumbnail for my video. By the way guys, we hit 15,000 subscribers today. So thank you all so much. Like honestly, it means so much to me. And I'm so grateful for all of you, and I can't believe how much we've gained recently, so just thank you so much if you're new here. Hopefully my uploads are just going to get better and better because I'm wanting to do more like challenge videos, lifestyle videos, so yeah, just thank you so much for supporting me. But yeah, I'm just going to eat this now and then catch you guys when I have my tea or any other snack before tea.
Hey guys, it's Lucy, welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed to Louisa, go do it now or I'll kill you. Thank you.
Just in the living room and I'm going to watch some YouTube. So I think I'm going to watch this Saffron Barker video. I don't know why it's not focusing on it. There we go. I love watching 24-hour challenge videos, so I'm going to watch this. And I've got a snack. So I've just got a Galaxy cake bar because these are the best things. Like if you haven't tried these, you're missing out. Honestly, they're the best things ever. So I'm going to eat that while watching some YouTube videos. I love Saffron Barker, like her videos are so good at the moment, so yeah, I'll let you guys know if it's a good video or not. I just finished watching Saffron's video. It was really good, and I finished my Galaxy cake bar. These are literally amazing. But now I'm just going to chill for a little bit. I think it's about 6 p.m. So I'm going to have tea in about an hour or so because I'm not that hungry because I had a really big lunch. And by the way, normally I have like a small lunch and a big tea. But on the Sunday we have like a big lunch. So like normally a Sunday roast, but today we had steak. So yeah, just to clear that up, I don't have a big lunch every day. But yeah, I'm now going to watch like a couple more YouTube videos and then I'm going to have tea and then do my homework because I've left it to the last minute. Like, great. So yeah, and I'm really tired. Like, I didn't get a very good sleep last night, so that I'm literally shattered. So for my tea, I'm just having some pasta with some tomato and mascarpone sauce from Tesco. It's really good. And I've just got some peach juice as well, which is like my favourite drink. So I'm just going to eat this now. I'll catch you guys later. I've just finished my pasta and I'm now going to have my melon for pudding. So the time is currently about 9:15. Last vlogged at about 7 p.m. when I had my tea, but I haven't eaten anything since, so I didn't see the need to vlog because this is a vlog of what I'm eating and I haven't eaten anything. But I'm not getting peckish, but I kind of want like a little something before I go to bed, so I think I might get like a drink and a little like biscuit or something just to keep me going. So I'll show you guys what I get downstairs. So for my drink I'm going to have some chocolate milk. So what I've been doing a lot, like literally every night, is getting this like mixture thing. It's called Nesquik and it's by Nestle and it's chocolate flavour. And you basically put some milk in and then a few teaspoons of this and it makes chocolate milk and it's really good, so I really recommend it. So I'm just going to pour this milk in. Don't know how much to have. Okay, that's a lot. Then I get a teaspoon, open up this. 1 second, I need to do it with 2 hands. It's just like this like powder kind of thing. Oh, it's really hard to do it with 1 hand. Yeah, I'm gonna put some in. I don't know if that's enough, but it should be alright. Give it a stir. And that's it. It's really quick and simple to do. And it's a lot cheaper than buying individual chocolate milk bottles. And then I'm just going to pop a straw in because I love having straws with my drinks. Okay, and now for my snack. I found these in the cupboard and they are these chocolate biscuits from Fox's. And they look really nice and I love Fox's like biscuits. I've never tried these ones before, so I'm going to have 2 of them. And then I'll do like a little taste test for you all upstairs. Okay, I'm just going to take 2 because they are quite big. I'm going to take these upstairs now. Okay, so I'm back in my room now and I'm going to try these biscuits. I don't know if you're meant to break them off because they're in like squares, but I'm just going to bite into it anyway because I've never had them before or seen anyone eat them. Yeah, they are really nice. They taste a lot like the Milka Tuck, which I got in Ibiza when I went and I did like a trying Spanish candy video. They taste a lot like that, but like not as good because Milka chocolate is the best. But yeah, Fox's biscuits are really good and I really recommend these. I'm going to sit on my bed and eat and drink these now because I just want to chill out for a bit. I'll catch you guys later, but I probably won't eat anything else tonight because it's quite late. So I nearly like completely forgot to end this video, but ignore what I look like. I got some Sudocrem on a spot. It's around 10:30 and I'm going to go to sleep because I've got school tomorrow. So I need to be nice and refreshed for the new day. So I really hope that you guys did enjoy the video. Smash it a massive thumbs up if you did. And subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I'll see you guys next week for a new video. Bye!